Kenny, niggas be holding man, I'm the fast there, I'm trust niggas so around my nigga, push stuff fake, can't trust when you ride through the rack, I don't
345 gang, what's up with it, man? Big Brando back with another one. Yes, sir. It's gonna be a little short, quick, simple video on how to do an oil change on a 2007 Dodge Magnum RT 57. Yeah, it's gonna be a quick, little, simple video. I already got my oil, Pennzoil. Yes, sir. It's 5 quarts. Got an extra one, and the oil filter from pH 2. It's the oil filter I got. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a little quick little video on how to change your oil in a 57 Hemi 57 Hemi for real. But yeah, let's get into it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Go push that notification bell so y'all miss none of my videos. And go follow my Instagram account. I'll be popping it up right there. Yes, sir. Let's get into this video. All right, gang. I done got them jacked up. This is the 3-ton jack. Got this from Walmart. I'll drop the link in the description. It's a good ass jack, boy. This jack done made me hella money. I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, got them jacked up. Engine oil is 5W20. Anybody don't know 5W20? That's what I got over there. Pennzoil 5W20. Full synthetic, high mileage. Because my car got 154,000 miles. And yeah, for all the people who are always telling me get a jack stand and put a jack stand, I know this shit is unsafe without having jack stands for real, but look, I had me a jack stand right here. I got me one. I don't know where the other one is. I think the other one in the garage, but got me a jack stand right here. And yeah, the car is dirty. Like, look at the roof. It's dirty as hell. Like, the whole car dirty. But it's raining though, so fuck it. Yeah, man, let me get up under here and I think it either take a 13, the oil drain plug, the bolt. I think it take either a 13 or a 15. It's one of them, but I'm about to get up under here and let y'all know which one to take and get it moving. So yeah, you take a take a 13 millimeter. I was changing out a Chevy Malibu, and theirs took a 15 millimeter. But I got my ratchet, and I got my little breaker bar. This mug come in handy, I ain't gonna lie. This little breaker bar comes in handy. And I got this for extra leverage. But let's get up under here, show y'all where it's at. It's right here, where I'm pointing at. That's the bolt that you gotta take out, let it drain out, and that's pretty much it. All right, I got the phone mounted up so y'all can see. Up on this right here. Yeah, man, I need me a new ratchet, man. I need me a whole new tool set. All right, we done got them loose, gang. There we go. Got them loose with my little trusty small breaker bar, whatever you call this motherfucker, Pittsburgh. Y'all can see that. Yeah, go ahead and get my ratchet now. Okay. Go ahead and get them off. Fuck. That's some bullshit. Drop this bitch in the fucking oil pan. you can honestly hands unscrew it now, and it should go. It's just gonna come straight out. Boom. Just like that. It's coming out too, boy. And yes, I needed an oil change. Bad. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I take the oil filter off and slap the fresh oil back in. All right, gang, I got the oil filter out, and as you can see, it was stuck on there, so I looked up a little method on YouTube, of course, and had to bang a screwdriver in it and twist it out. And ended up having to go. My neighbor took me up to AutoZone. I grabbed the STP one instead. Let me show y'all where it's at. God damn, just hit my head on the tire. Here we go right here. It's already twisted on. It's already got it on there tight. Yeah, man, let's get this oil in the car and let's get it jumping. Yeah, man, in the midst of me doing my oil change, look what came. My front rotors, drilled and slotted ones. Grabbed that at AutoZone. And some front brakes too, so I'm about to go ahead and slap that on too. So this is gonna be a rotor video / oil change video. Let's get to it. All right, gang, I've been done with the oil change and the rotors, but just give a whole little quick rundown on, for anybody who don't know how to change the oil or anything like that. But yeah, you basically twist this cap off, get you a funnel, and fill them up with your whatever oil you get. But I use Pennzoil, 5W20, high mileage, platinum, some shit like that. Y'all seen it in the beginning of the video. That's what I use. Fill it up and check the oil dipstick. Make sure it's in a safe zone and you are good. And the rotors is complete. They already on there and they running good. Honestly, I mean, I feel a difference a little bit. Like it stopped a little bit better, but shit, if you ain't got no Brembo, you feel me? You ain't got no Brembo, you know how that is. But yeah, man, the rotors is on. They cool. Look better. The front. I only got the front ones though. I'm gonna wait to get the back ones because my back ones is cool for real. But yeah, as y'all can see, I did paint my calipers. They yellow and they dirty as hell because the gloves I was wearing got them super dirty. Well, my whole car, as you can see, is dirty. It's been raining where I stay at. And the back one's not bad. Like I still got some time left with these motherfuckers. The back rotors, yellow too. Let's get to the other side. It's the other side. Them on. They running real good. And as y'all can see, the slots and the holes is facing that way. And on the opposite direction, it's the same way. It came in the package with a left and right, so that was a plus. Yeah, in the front calipers, yellow. The back one's the same, as y'all seen on the other side. I ain't gotta go record that. But yeah, man, that's basically how you do a oil change on a 5.7 Hemi. It's pretty simple. If you got the right tools, you can do it yourself. So yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna get back with y'all on another one. Yes, sir.
Nigga to a song, give me a nigga that sip on Patron. I catch a nigga, I'll make him. That nigga like a hater, make him.